Hey there, cybersecurity enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 9 free software tools that every aspiring cyber warrior needs in their arsenal. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, these tools will help you stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Let's get into it. First up, we have Kali Linux. If you're serious about cybersecurity, this is your go-to operating system. Packed with hundreds of tools for tasks like penetration testing and forensics, Kali Linux is your ultimate ethical hacking toolkit. It's a powerful tool for penetration testing and security research. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for hackers. Next on the list is Deshashed. It's the superhero of email security. This tool helps you check if your email addresses have been compromised in any breaches. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your inbox. Moving on to next, for all you web warriors out there, Burp Suite is a game changer. It's an integrated platform for performing security testing of web applications and an essential tool for web application security testing. Think of it as your trusty sidekick in finding vulnerabilities and securing your web applications. Now, Nmap is our fourth tool, and it's a must-have for network exploration. This tool is great for network discovery and security auditing. This powerful port scanner helps you discover hosts and services on a network, revealing the network's hidden secrets. Uncover the mysteries of your network with Nmap. It's like having X-ray vision for your network. HackTheBox is up next. Training is essential, and HackTheBox offers an incredible platform to test and improve your skills. It's a fun and educational platform for honing your hacking skills. It's an online playground where you can tackle real-world cybersecurity challenges. It's fun, educational, and the perfect way to level up your hacking game. CyberChef is next, and it's the ultimate data modification tool. This web app allows you to perform a variety of cyber operations, from encoding data to analyzing encrypted messages. It's like having a magic wand for all your data needs. Next we have Snort. Snort is an amazing intrusion detection system that you can't afford to miss. This tool is great for network intrusion detection. It analyzes network traffic in real time and detects various attacks, like a vigilant watchdog guarding your network. Stay alert and stay protected with Snort. PfSense is up next. PfSense is your go-to for a powerful firewall and router software. Highly customizable, it offers a wide range of features to secure your network, from basic firewalling to advanced VPN configurations. It's like building a fortress around your network. Now, last but not least, we have Ghidra, a comprehensive software reverse engineering framework. This tool helps you analyze compiled code across different platforms, essential for understanding and combating malware. It's like having a decoder ring for complex software. And there you have it, folks. 9 incredible free tools that every cybersecurity enthusiast should know about. And finally, our conclusion. Whether you're defending systems or testing their limits, these tools are your keys to success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth guides and cybersecurity tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.